Collocations are groups of words that commonly go together in English. Today, we focus on collocations with the word take. These are phrases where take is followed by a noun or phrase to create a common expression used in speaking and writing. Collocations are pairs or groups of words that often occur together naturally. They help make your English sound more fluent and native-like. Learning common collocations will help you speak and write English more smoothly. Some of the most common collocations with take include take a photo and take a break. Take a photo means to use a camera to capture an image. Take a break means to stop working or studying for a short rest. Other important collocations with take include take notes and take a shower. Take notes means to write down important information. Take a shower means to wash your body standing under running water. In daily life, we often say take medicine and take an exam. Take medicine means to swallow or use medicine to help your health. Take an exam means to attend a test or assessment at school or work. Take time is a useful phrase that means to spend enough time doing something carefully. Take a nap means to have a short sleep during the day to feel refreshed. Take a look means to quickly look at something. Take a walk means to go outside and walk, usually to relax or exercise. Now it is practice time. Try using the collocations you have learned in your own sentences. Using these phrases will make your English sound natural and clear.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.